Hey guys, I'm making a video on the Among the Sleep. Among the Sleep. Let's do this. That's curl to crawl and stand. Space to climb. And WASD to move. And click to interact with noise and objects. Oh hell no. Mommy. My mama. Mama, that you? Mama, that you? Mama, that you? That's Mama. That's Mama Bear. That's Mama Bear. And Mama Bear is ready. Mama? Mr. Teddy going! Mr. Teddy! Ooh, Mr. Teddy! Mr. Teddy! Oh, hell no! Mr. Teddy is gone, Mr. Teddy is gone, Mr. Teddy is gone. What they do? Oh, they threw me on the floor, baby abuse. I don't care where I'm peeking around the corner. Let's just get through this. Okay. Q and E. I got this. Climb up. Climb up, I said. Climb up. There we go. Now the game isn't lagging. And climb up. Well, the game is lagging, but it's not like before. Before it was horrible. Like, I can see on the ground. Forehead jump. Demonic creatures. That's how you know it's the red light. Something bad is in your house. Mr. Teddy? Mr. Teddy? Teddy? Mr. Teddy in there? Mr. Teddy in there. See Mr. Teddy in the washing machine. Teddy, scream when you're in the washing machine. Mr. Teddy's in the washing machine. Let Mr. Teddy out. How am I gonna let Mr. Teddy out? How am I gonna let Mr. Teddy out? Mr. Teddy, don't worry. I'll be right back, Mr. Teddy. Don't worry, Mr. Teddy. I'll grab a chair. Don't worry, Mr. Teddy. I got your back. Pull. Oh, this baby's arms. Oh, I'm not pulling. I'm peeking. How am I peeking? That's how you jump. How am I supposed to drag this thing again? Alright, drag it. Come on, pull with me. Mr. Teddy. Somebody need to save Mr. Teddy. Mr. Teddy's dead. Oh! Mr. Teddy, I got you. Mr. Teddy, I got you. Mr. Teddy, My mama said never play in the outlet. Whatever. Let me say Mr. Teddy. Teddy? Teddy, are you okay?
Thank you. Something's not right. We need to find your mother.
Okay, Mr. Teddy. Okay. Let's go. It's Teddy. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Teddy. Done. Oh, my nose. Oh. Alright, Mr. Teddy ain't no. Let's walk and play during this problem. Oh, hell no. Mr. Ball, can you help us? I'll be Kobe with the shot. Da, 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 da. Oh man, I ain't Kobe with the shot. Mr. Ball, let's go. Alright, Mr. Ball, you're gonna hang out right here. Right here, right here, right here. Okay. Mr. Ball, you cannot push me down the stairs. Alright, Mr. Ball, I need you to check. Come on. Come on! We need to save my mommy now. Go check. Is it safe down there?
We have to be very quiet. You don't know what might be listening.
Oh, now you told me after I throw Mr. Ball down there? Mr. Ball, is it safe? Okay, it's safe. And crawl. Oh, hell no. Mr. Ball, you're gonna die first, okay? Let's make that straight, okay? Mr. Teddy. If I see something, Mr. Teddy, I'm out. I'm out this house. I don't care. I'm out this house. Oh my gosh, I'm glitching. I'm glitching. Why am I glitching? Maybe someone jump. Can they? What am I doing? Well, that's the... Oh, stop that gameplay. 4 minutes. Can I, like, crouch or something? Well, apparently that's the end of the gameplay. Share if you did. If you like. Oh my gosh! Glitching! Well, that's the end of the gameplay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like if you did. Subscribe, and see you guys next time. Oh, hell no! Change and save. Yes, I want to save. It's apparently 6 o'clock in the night. I mean 6 o'clock at night. Quit! Yeah, so,